Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete Google Chrome extensions on your PC. It's very, very easy to do. There's a couple different ways that you can do it. So you just want to start off on your Google Chrome page right here, like I'm on right now. And now if you go up to the top right, if you have a couple of extensions here, I don't personally right now, but if you had extensions here right now, you can just right click on them and you can either click unpin or remove from Chrome entirely. If you don't see your extensions here, or you don't want to delete any of these ones, you want to delete a different one, you can go ahead to this little option right here at the far right. Mine just has this little yellow signal right now, but yours just might be a little settings gear or 3 dots. We just want to click on that and then go over to settings. Once you're in settings, you'll see on this left-hand side that there is an option for extensions. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to show you all the extensions that you have on your computer. All you have to do is click on remove on the one that you want to remove, and then click on remove, and then it will remove that extension from your Google Chrome. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to remove extensions on your PC. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.